Guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. We have another crochet braid video for you guys today. I am wearing some super cute crochet passion twist, switching it up a little bit for you guys. So today's video is sponsored by Losmoeer hair. They are an Amazon hair company that sells these cute little crochet passion twists. So they have these in different lengths. I want to say they have like maybe a 10 or a 12, and then this is a 14-inch, and this is the color 1B. They do have color on the website as well, so I will have the hair linked down below in the description box for you guys, as well as the price. If I remember, I'll try to put the price on the screen so you guys can know, but I want to say it was around like $40 or so maybe for the pack of hair, and they send you 10 packs, I believe, and about 10 twists, I think, in each pack. I used every single pack of twists that they sent me, you guys. My braiding pattern is 14 braids, just going straight across, so literally 7 on this side, 7 on this side, straight back, and I used all of those twists. I honestly could have used like one more bag to just kind of fill up a little bit in the back, but I did pretty good overall. I made sure to use the 2-finger rule, you guys, so that I, one, would not put too many twists in because of weight. This can become really heavy wearing a twist like this, and also to make sure that I didn't run out. And I did kind of run out a little bit, but I was able to like finesse it. So yeah, 2-finger rule, meaning like I had a twist here, 2-finger widths worth of space, and then like another twist. So you'll be able to see in the little clip that I'm going to show you guys. So let's just go ahead and jump right into that.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave.
Okay guys, so that was a little clip of just me showing you guys the hair straight out of the pack and how I installed it. Of course, I used my jewelry beater for this method. I call it really my crochet beater because that's all I use it for. It makes it super easy and prevents snagging on the hair that you sometimes get from using that latch hook. That happens to me. If it happens to you, definitely try out the beater instead. So yeah, these twists are super cute, you guys. Like I said, they are in a 1B. Let me show you guys the side. And the back, super cute, you guys. I really like these. They definitely do have some weight to them, but they're not super duper heavy. Yeah, they're not, I'm thinking like, oh, can I hold my head up good? They're not really heavy. They're definitely lighter than the other ones that I did, but those were like double the length because they were like waist length, and these are a lot shorter. So just keep that in mind. If you are someone who can't tolerate super heavy hairstyles, these do have a little bit of weight to them. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have to say about these twists. I really like them, you guys. The texture is really nice. They are definitely on the silkier side. Really pretty. And I did not put any product on these, if you guys are wondering about that too. No product on these at all. And like I said, I will have everything in the description box linked for you guys down below, so you can go ahead and check out this hair. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. New crochet braid video coming after this one too, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe on your way out, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.